Cool. Back with another vlog for, I wouldn't call it a vlog, a product review that has come up just yesterday. Earlier, I've used their products for a better audio setup. It's called Grenaro wireless microphones. I actually lost one of the connectors for the phone. So they've sent me a new. They haven't sent me. It's not a sponsored one, but then I bought a new one called Grenaro P10. It's called Grenaro Wireless Microphone P10. I haven't really unboxed it or used it yet. I do want to check it out. Let's see how the audio quality and stuff is. But before that, let's unbox, see what are the contents of the box, how the box looks, inside how's the packaging, how's the quality and stuff, and then maybe we'll review the audio quality as well. The current audio that you're listening is from the default microphone of iPhone 13 Pro. So let's just get on to the unboxing part. The quality of the box looks okay, and let's unbox this. Oh, okay, this is how the casing is. It is definitely better than the old one that I had. It's a little bit sturdy, not bad. Let's open this. Okay, looks quite nice. Finishing is really nice. The feel of the material of the microphone feels really nice. Let's take it out. There is a small tape that you can see that is on top of it. Let's remove that, and I am only going to use one for now. Let's see the receiver part. So here's the advantage of the receiver that I have right now here. So this has both Android as well as your iOS as well as your Android's support in one receiver. The earlier one that I had you had to put a connector here. On the connector you had to push this one again, push the receiver, and there were two different receivers that I had to buy. So this has a better usage for somebody who has both Android as well as an iOS. So this is what the receiver is, and this is the actual microphone. The microphone quality looks really nice. The feel of the microphone is good. Let's turn it on. Okay, so you can see that the blue light is blinking. That means that the receiver is on. That the microphone is on. This is a transmitter, I think, but before that, let's see what else do we have in the box. So you also kind of get a couple of more things on the box. I think a manual of how to use, what to use and stuff, which I haven't really gone through yet. I think this is a warranty card. Awesome. So the warranty card is here. I think this should contain all the USBs and USBs and chargings and all that stuff, probably. So, oh, nice. So they also have dead cats that they have provided here. That's good. I did not expect that. I did not expect them to provide dead cats as well along with the microphone. Awesome. So the dead cat goes in, I don't know, yeah, here like this. Wow, okay, nice. Well, not bad for the price point that we've been paying. So let me put the dead cats on it quickly. Install dead cat is quite simple. यहाँ पे knobs दिया हुआ है. They put this, given these knobs that you can see. So all I gotta do is just, and there are gaps here on the microphone as well. So just take these take the dead cat, just insert the microphone inside the gap, and you'll see that it's actually done. It's actually fitting quite nicely and quite seamlessly. Seems like they have designed this dead cat specifically for the microphone. I don't know, that's what it looks like. And you also have an USB charging C type USB cable. Cool. I am not gonna use this for now because I already have a lot of USB cables. Yeah, so bye bye. This goes back into the box. Cool. Let's take this out. Awesome. So the next audio that you're gonna be hearing is gonna be directly from the microphone of Grenaro P10. Honestly speaking, this is the first time that even I'm gonna be using it, and even I'm gonna be listening to the audio quality. But let us give it a try. Cool. So this is the audio quality that you're kind of like getting from the Grenaro P10. I did do a small 5-second recording just to check the quality of the audio that I'm receiving. Honestly speaking, I am quite satisfied with the audio. Uh, I haven't really seen all the noise cancellation functions that it has, but I know for sure that this has a lot of noise cancellation 1 level, 2 level, and 3 levels as well. Along with that, I also think they also have this reverberation feature as well, which kind of like gives out the echo feature, a lot of echo types ka audio. So it gives out that kind of audio as well, which I am not interested in at all. I just want some moderate noise cancellation, and that serves my whole purpose of buying a wireless microphone specifically for my travel vlogs. So yeah, that's more or less the whole video. But I am actually liking the audio quality, and it's not just one one microphone that you get. You get two microphones. Let's say you're doing an interview with two people, then it's straightforward that I can talk and the interviewer can talk and the interviewee can talk, and both of them can talk. Except, and it's not gonna be like you can exchange, you can keep changing the microphones. Okay, I speak and then I give it to him, he speaks and then I take it, something like that. I don't want to do that. This one is more better. I like this option more, and I think I'm quite satisfied with what this microphone is doing, at least up till now. So yeah, that's more or less it. I will actually update this review a little more sooner. uh, I mean, after using this for some more time, I might actually put another review or add another comment on the or update the description of how this review is of how this microphone is performing right now. Cool. So ride update, we do have another monsoon ride planned, and it's coming quite soon. We are planning to ride on in July first week. So yeah, the ride is going to be quite long. 8 days ride is what I'm planning for. Let's see how it goes, and I'll see you later. Bye bye. Okay, so I wanted to again showcase something else that I noticed here on this one. So this is a big problem. So after putting the dead cat, you will not be able to close the box. So you see, it's getting stuck. So you will have to take off the dead cat and only then close the box. And later, after some time, you gotta again, when you want to use it, you put the dead cat back on and then you record your vlog. So or because that's, I think it's a little painful, but still something that can be managed quite easily. For me, I feel it's gonna be a little painful because since we're riding and we are on a schedule, we got to do a lot of kilometers, as well as we gotta stop, vlog, do all that stuff as well. It is gonna be a little difficult, but it is what it is. Can't help it. Chalo, I think I will see you guys soon. But this is the product.